Once you try this recipe, you will want to make it again and again. Today I am making a very tasty and crispy nashta potato samosa. The outer layer is golden and crunchy and the inside is filled with spicy mashed potatoes. It's easy to make at home with just a few simple ingredients. This recipe is perfect for tea time. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. Start by taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oil. Mix everything very well. Now slowly pour water little by little and start kneading the mixture. Continue kneading until you get a soft, smooth dough. The dough should not be sticky or too hard. Somewhere in between is perfect. Once done, cover the dough and let it rest for 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, take 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well until smooth and lump-free. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll the dough into a medium-sized circle, not too thick or thin. Now cut the edges. Brush the edges with flour slurry. To make flour slurry, mix 2 tablespoons of flour with 4 tablespoons of water. Now place the potato mixture and gently fold the dough. Heat oil in a pan on medium flame. Now carefully place the samosa one by one. Fry just a few at a time to avoid overcrowding. Fry until golden brown. Once golden and done, remove them from the oil and place on a tissue paper to soak the extra oil. And just like that, the crispy and flavorful potato samosa is ready. This is perfect for tea time or evening nashta. This is so easy and delicious that once you try this recipe, you will want to make this again and again. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.